Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do Valentine's makeup look for Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna go on date. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful makeup look, grab your makeup and do makeup with me and continue watching the video. So first I'm going to use the Smashbox, the original Photo Focus Smooth and Blur Primer. I'm gonna give this a minute and then I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydrating Foundation, and my shade is 2.4. So I'm going to take on the back of my hand 3 pumps, and I'm going to use the flat brush. It's the flat buffing brush. Now I'm going to take NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. And I'm going to take this flat concealer brush and blend it the whole thing. I feel like whenever I wear this concealer, I don't need powder and it doesn't creases my under eyes. So that's how the concealer should be. Moving on, I am quickly going to set my face using the Modicare Urban Color Powder. Now don't judge. So I filled my eyebrows and I brushed them upwards. Now I'm going to finish the rest of the face and then we'll move on to the eyes. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Bronzer. And I'm going to use the same brush which comes with this powder. I'm going to use the Uniquetoyoucolour Toasted Peach Blush with my blush brush. It is so nice and so like flesh-like color. I love the color. For some reason it just feels like if I'm doing like a no makeup look, it just gives like such healthy pinky cheeks and not like artificial cheeks. So that's the best part. Moving on to lots of highlighting, I'm going to use my holy grail Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold highlighter. Just highlighting the highest points of my face. And now finally moving on to the eyes. So for eyes, I have the very new Creole Rouge Born to Win eyeshadow palette. Now this is very special to me because I was lucky enough to name this palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful palette to create the Valentine's look. Now let's start with the eye makeup. So I'm just going to use one brush and that's it. So I'm going to take the fluffy blending brush to do my transition area. And I am directly gonna start with this beautiful red color. And I just place the color very carefully in my crease. This is very pigmented. So that's why I am a bit conscious. And now I'm going to take this burgundy color and just deepen my crease up a little bit. Now I'm going to mix the burgundy with the brown to deepen my outer V. And now I am going to take this particular shade, which is so pretty. I'm going to swatch it. This is how it looks like. and I'm going to place that color right onto my lid. This is such a pretty color. Our eye makeup is mostly done. I am just going to blend the edges of this eyeshadow. And with the same highlighter, I am going to do my inner corners and brow bone. And whatever is left on my brush, I'm just going to swirl it in my lower lash line. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner. And for my mascara, I'm going to use the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. This is like my recent favorite, and I don't know why I'm using it every single day whenever I do my makeup. For my lashes, I'm going to use the Ajakosmetics Mirror Lashes in the variant A502. And I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. For my lipstick, I'm going to use the Anaya Channelle's Bullet Lipstick in the shade Exotic. It's a pretty color and it's perfect for Valentine's. I am just going to quick swatch it for you. It's very nice. I feel like on camera, it's looking slightly on a tomato red orange side. So I am going to mix the Merlot from Uniquetoyoucolour just a little bit to tone down. Now it's looking very nice. So I'm gonna do my hair and come back. So I am back. I just pinned my hair a little bit and I just washed them. So I feel like they are very frizzy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is the final look. I am gonna lock it with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is how it looks like, and few things are very new in my vanity. So I'm testing the products out. So I'm gonna set my face and be right back. Oh my god, can you see the highlighter after setting? Oh my god. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope this was helpful. It's very easy, very simple, and it's very doable, I guess. So this is gonna be my Valentine's makeup, and if you find this helpful, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.